This is a big green park. The grass is soft and fresh. There are tall trees all around the park. The trees have many green leaves, and some birds are sitting on the branches. The birds are small and colorful. Some birds are blue, some are yellow, and others are red. They sing sweet songs. In the middle of the park, there is a brown wooden bench. A lady is sitting on the bench. She is wearing a yellow dress and has a big hat to protect her from the sun. She holds a book in her hand and smiles as she reads. Next to the bench, there is a little boy playing with his red ball. He throws the ball up and catches it with joy. Behind the lady and the boy, there is a big fountain. The water in the fountain is clear and shiny. It splashes gently and makes a soft sound. Some people are walking around the fountain holding ice cream cones in their hands. The ice cream is pink, white, and brown, strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. Everyone is smiling and enjoying their time. In the sky, the sun is bright. There are a few white clouds, but the sky is mostly blue.